Imagine strapping on goggles that plunge you into a world where the sky is your playground, wind rushing past as you barrel through forests or weave between skyscrapers, capturing footage so immersive it feels like you're there. But better, sharper, faster. What if the next evolution of that adrenaline-fueled freedom wasn't just an upgrade, but a revolution that makes FPV flying accessible to newbies and pros alike, all while dodging crashes like a pro gamer? Today, we're cracking open the vault of leaks on the DJI Avata 3, the FPV drone that's got the drone community buzzing like a hive of over-caffeinated bees. If you're a thrill seeker in the USA itching for the ultimate first-person view experience, or a content creator dreaming of cinematic shots without the hassle, buckle up. These rumors aren't just whispers. They're screams from beta testers and FCC filings that could redefine how we chase the horizon. Stick with me through this 30-minute deep dive, because by the end, you'll be counting down the days until launch, armed with every juicy detail to decide if this is your next must-have gadget. Let's blast off and explore what makes the Avata 3 the drone everyone's secretly hoping DJI drops before the holidays. To really appreciate the storm brewing around the Avata 3, let's rewind a bit. The original DJI Avata hit the scene in 2022 like a meteor, smashing the barriers between casual flying and pro-level FPV with its bulletproof Cinewhoop design, intuitive motion controls, and that buttery-smooth 4K footage that made editing a breeze. Then came the Avata 2 in 2024, amping up the speed to 97 kilometers per hour, squeezing in 23 minutes of flight time, and wrapping it all in a package under 400 grams. Perfect for backyard flips or urban explorations without FAA headaches. But here's the kicker. In a market flooded with custom builds and rivals like BetaFPV's Pavo series, DJI's secret sauce has always been that seamless ecosystem of goggles, controllers, and apps that let you focus on the fun, not the fiddling. Fast forward to 2025, and leaks are painting the Avata 3 as the crown jewel, not just tweaking the formula, but supercharging it with tech that's straight out of tomorrow. Sources from DroneXL, Reddit's r/DJI, and even FCC docs leaked back in March are converging on a drone that's faster, tougher, and more cinematic than ever. And with US drone regs tightening amid those pesky security debates, expect features that keep you compliant and confident. But don't take my word. Let's unpack these leaks layer by layer, starting with the heart of any FPV rig, the camera. The crown of the Avata 3 leaks? A massive upgrade to a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Yes, you heard that right, jumping from the Avata 2's 1/1.3-inch chip to something that rivals action cams like the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Why does this send shivers down a videographer's spine? Because bigger sensors mean devouring light like a black hole, slashing noise in those golden hour chases, or dimly lit warehouse runs. Insiders are whispering about 4K video at a blistering 120 frames per second, letting you slow down those heart-pounding dives into slow-mo masterpieces without dropping quality. And get this, some beta tester sightings hint at 8K burst modes for those ultra-detailed stills mid-flight, plus 10-bit D-Log color profiles for grading that pops in post-production. Imagine stitching together HDR clips with dynamic range that captures the flare of a sunset piercing through trees, all stabilized by an evolved RockSteady 3.0 Plus system and Horizon Steady tech that keeps horizons level even if you're pulling 180-degree drifts. No more Jello cam woes. Leaks show a refined gimbal with greater tilt range, soaking up vibrations like a pro. For USA creators dodging import tariffs